Hi everybody, Mike here. Thanks for watching. Today we're going to go flying again and hopefully have another adventure. We're going to take the long range quad and fly it that way. And the plan is to fly about 3 miles out to a canyon that has waterfalls and a slide area that had an avalanche a few years ago. We're using the long range quad and the high gain antenna system. So that's the plan. Let's give it a go and see what happens. We got 7 sats.
Yep. Arma motors.
They got juice. You're good. We have motors.
Verify home.
We have 0 feet. We have a little house. We're in air mode.
You're ready for takeoff.
All right. Okay, so you're going to move it to the red cap.
Yep. As soon as you lift off here and get up.
We'll do a little warm up here for us, huh?
Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm moving it now.
Okay, you take your time. Take it. It's just getting a little stick here.
Okay, I'm back at the station, Mike.
Altitude. We're going to have to watch the altitude and speed, okay?
Okay.
The amps.
Yeah, you're up 50 feet now. Speed.
Yeah, I'm going to just be watching the altitude here.
Okay.
And
I'll be watching milliamps.
We got some speed. 35. Oh, I gotta go up a little bit, don't I?
You're down 45 now.
I should probably come up a little bit, shouldn't I?
You're at minus 50 now. There, you're at 0.
Give myself a little more speed here. More like it, 60 feet. Speed, a little more throttle here. Too high now. So we're heading toward B0.
Okay. And that's what we're set.
1.5 miles out. Going too high now. Man, that's what I need. I need to go down a little bit. Still going up. One and 3/4 miles.
Still got good signals.
You're still aimed at B0, right?
I still aimed at B0. Haven't changed a thing.
Two miles. This is about to turn around and head on point. We're at 800.
Mm-hmm.
Look at the canyon down there below us, by the way.
Yeah, isn't that nice? We're right up to the Y there.
43 miles an hour. Minus 75.
Mm-hmm.
So the goal is to be over here by 12 at the trees.
Okay. Well, you're doing fine.
I'm just looking at these trees here. You're at B0 still, right?
At B0.
We're going to be going from B0 to C1 in a minute here, but not quite.
Not quite yet.
But Don't even... You know what I should do? I see where we're at. Yeah, I gotta remember that.
Uh-huh.
Be nice to look at. Should have done that a while ago. Okay, so you're at B0, right?
I'm at B0 right now.
Between B and C0.
Alright, between B and C0. Check.
Alright. We're at 1,000, 1,100 on the juice meter.
I've got 1,080, yeah.
This, we're right over the spot you and I were lost at.
Okay.
Right here.
Right there.
That's the spot right below us. There's a dead tree right below us. They call that the arrow tree.
I remember those woods.
We were right there down below. It's out of the field of view now. Now I'm going to go up a little bit. We're at the base of the... So you can be heading towards, you can head towards C1-ish.
C1-ish? Okay.
Yeah, we're between B0 and... There we go. We're over the slide area.
Raise it up just a little bit there, and we're at C1.
Okay. You're at C1?
That's C1.
Okay, good. I'm flying to C1.
And you're at
1,200. I'm way ahead of... I'm 1,300 amps.
Right.
We're supposed to be by 1,800 here.
You're at 2.90 miles, 90 miles. So almost 3 miles out now.
This is what we came to look at, right here. Look at this cliff. Yeah, just leave it at C0 for now.
Okay.
There's this fossil slide area.
There's the slide. Yep.
Whoa. There's our home point. Okay. That's good. I'm just looking at our home point. Okay, we're at 1,350. We're doing good. We got lots of power here. Look at this. Look how they just slid off and just went off to the deep end here. Holy cow. So we're going to be going from C1 to B0. Okay?
Yep.
As I fly.
As you fly.
So I'm going back to C1, but you're going to have to kind of interpolate here a little bit. You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It probably won't make a big difference. 50, man, we got here way with 400 amps to spare.
2.95 miles out. $1,500 milliamps.
Look over to the canyon. Wow, look at that drop off.
Wow.
Before I get scared. Such a weenie. Swear to God, the right corner here is where we were lost. Okay, 1,600. We can fly till 3,000 up here.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
This tree on our right is going to block our signal once in a while. Right there, that tree, that tree that went off. I can't go down to the bottom of this thing. It will cause me grief. You're still at C1?
Still at C1.
Okay. 1,700. So what I'm going to do, I bet my GoPro's pointing at the sun right now. There's probably not getting a great video. I'm going to go up this way.
1,800 MA.
Okay. Oh, there's a road up here. Look at that.
3 miles out.
Okay. That's just our tree breakup stuff. We're going to have some right here too. Here we go.
1,900 MA.
Very good. Let's go down this way. Now we're going to be going to A1-ish, but we're going to go halfway between here.
Okay.
So Not all the way to A1, but halfway. Okay.
We're gonna go to A first, or B first here.
Excuse me, B, not B. I meant B.
Yeah.
B's the canyon. I mean B1. B. Should be close to B1.
Yeah,
Getting close.
I've moved it over, and we're at B1 right now.
Okay.
Or getting close. We're still.
I'm going back to B1. B0 to C1. That's what we're flying. B0 to C1. I'm north towards B0.
You're at B0 now.
Okay. 2000. Let's see how these trees block me on the right. $2,100. Good voltage.
Yeah.
Tree blockage. $2,200. We got to leave here at 3.
Yeah.
Valley. Lots of time to explore here. C1?
C1.
You're at C1?
I'm coming around here.
You should be at C1 right now. Now I'm going to
C.
go over from C1 a little bit towards D1.
Okay.
I'm going to go halfway to D1.
Okay. Halfway between C and D.
And actually we're getting to D1 now.
Okay.
That should be at D1.
D1 check.
Thanks. I'm just surveying this. Look at this road up here, dude. 2,500. So you've got to leave the top up here at 3, don't we?
At 3, you got 500 to go.
Okay, we're going to go a little lower than 1, between 0 and 1 here.
Okay.
Almost, you should be CD, 0-ish.
We're at D. I'll come back to CD.
Approaching C. $2,600. You should be at C0 almost.
Okay. C.
C is the slide, isn't it? Yeah. I see. Right there's where we were. Right there. Straight down.
Mm-hmm.
That's where we were lost. Right there. That is so funny. The GoPro video. I mean, the Phantom helped. 2,700. Let's go back and look at the quarry again. Go back to C0.
C0.
Excuse me. C1. My bad.
C1.
Back to the slide. C1.
C1.
I keep forgetting B is. Okay, I'm going to be flying down to B.
Okay.
To B0 here.
D.
B.
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 As in boy.
B. We're going to B0 here.
All right. B0. Gotcha.
Actually, yeah. $29. Yeah, I need to. What was it? 3,000. I could be down at the bottom by 35, don't I?
Mm-hmm.
I got one last little. Yeah, I want to leave here at 3,000, don't I?
3,000 right there, Mark.
Okay, so you're going to put me at B0 here if you haven't done it already.
We're at B0.
Okay. $3,000. There's the canyon. We're at B0. Watch our altitude. And we're not going to be, we're going below, we're going to go in a minute below to B -1.
Okay.
But not quite there yet. I get to -700, I got to stop. Are you going, where are you at?
I'm at B B1 or B0, excuse me.
Okay.
B0 right
Here's
now.
my lowest spot, -600 feet. Okay, that's about right. 3,200. We wanted to leave here by 35 at the worst?
At the worst.
Is that what it was, or 38?
I think 38 was your worst. You wanted to leave by 35, but 38 was...
By now. Okay,
3,000 milliamps.
2 miles out, altitude.
Minus 480.
Okay. We need to go the other way.
I'm at B0 right now. I'm gonna come down
Yeah, you can come down a little bit less if you want.
a little bit more there.
You can do it like towards the -1.
Yep.
I need to climb. -200 feet. See, I'm already too high for a mile and a half out. I can back it off a little bit. Just watch my airspeed for me.
Your airspeed
and my
37.
altitude.
37. You're at 3,600 MA.
Airspeed and altitude.
Altitude is 380. You want to be at 350.
-350.
Minus 350.
At a mile out.
A mile out. You got... I meant I'm not watching the instruments now, I'm just watching you.
Yeah, that's good. Just give me a foot above the dirt.
Okay.
And I'm going to try to land it on the...
4 feet, 2 feet, 1. There you are.
I missed it again. Dang it. Put the quad power down. I keep missing that thing.
You missed it just a little to the left.
Save and exit. Let me see here. Okay, don't turn off the recording yet.
Okay.
Anything. Dang it, I'm like 6-7 inches off. You'd think after 3 miles we'd nail it. That's awesome.
You're not 7 inches off. You're 2 inches on.
I'm 2 inches on. Okay, you're positive. I like that. You're a glass full kind of guy. Jim, that was awesome.
That was really nice.
That was our first flight out to
3 miles.
To the Fossil Slide area. And we got only one good pass up and down the canyon there. But I could see us reviewing this stuff later and flying the canyon there. That's cool. Go ahead and stop the recording up there if you want on the Sharkbyte. Well, we had a good flight, survived the odds again, and got good battery data. And that was really interesting. It was a very nice day. There was no wind, very little wind. And someday I'm going to fly that canyon closer and deeper in the canyon and go right down the waterfalls. But I'll study that video before I do that. Anyways, thanks again.